Ever wondered what it feels like to be at the forefront of technological innovation, speaking a universal language of progress? Today marks a monumental shift in our journey together. Growing together, our community has flourished, buzzing with curiosity and eagerness to learn. Yet, with growth comes the need for evolution. To cater to our diverse audience, we are splitting our content, dedicating a new channel entirely to English speakers. This move isn't just about language, it's about creating a tailored experience that resonates with each and every one of you. Our new channel isn't just another SAP tutorial page. We are diving deep into the realms of AI, machine learning, and beyond, offering a buffet of knowledge that caters to your insatiable curiosity. From beginner tips to expert strategies, we are covering it all. Becoming a key user is about more than just learning. It's about mastery. It's about gaining that edge that sets you apart in the digital landscape. Our content is designed not just to inform, but to transform you into an indispensable asset. Ready to take this leap? Subscribing is easy. Click on the info box, check the description, and there you are. You are not just subscribing, you are stepping into a community of forward thinkers, innovators, and lifelong learners. Why wait to become the best version of your professional self? The future is now, and it's waiting for you. Subscribe, dive in, and let's revolutionize the way we learn together.